Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys a market scanner I use, and it's not your typical market scanner. So this market scanner I made, it's mainly just finding stocks in between these prices with the 5-minute open. The 5-minute candle has to be in between these prices by at least 1%. And the reason I like this scanner is because it helps me find these really good setups I look for at night with that like present nice opportunities for the next day, right? So like I'm looking for like ascending triangles, really clean levels that it might break out of, and I use a scanner to find these stocks, and it definitely helps me find a lot of stocks because I don't really use FinViz or any of that, but there's a lot of times I'll be just sitting right here and I won't know what stocks to look at, and that's when I just take out the scanner and I look for and I scan it. And what I do is I open up the scanner and I usually go to this option, this option. I don't really go to the 100 to 300 million options, but I go to a couple of these options and I just scroll through and I'll start just clicking stuff. So I just change it. Now I'm gonna look for these. So maybe if I see a stock that I recognize, like UAL, I know it's an airline, so like a lot of times I'll forget about UAL. So maybe if I see it in the scanner, I'll go just check it out real quick, see if there any clean setups. And like so far, I see a symmetrical triangle kind of forming. So rejected this, rejected this, rejected this, rejected this. So that's definitely a setup I might be watching for tomorrow, right? And a lot of times I forget about these really simple stocks, and using the scanner really helps me. So let's do another thing. Maybe I'll do all US ETFs is way too much, but I mean you can click it if you want. Let's see what we get. Hey guys, I just want to take a little quick break and say that if you do want to download this charting platform, there's a link in my description. This is called TrendSpider. It's literally probably the cleanest platform out of anything I've ever used or seen, even cleaner than TradingView, Webull, all those stuff. I definitely recommend downloading this. I can share watch list and I can share market scanners with you guys if you do download this. So just DM me if you want those. So yeah, just click the link in my description. This is very good. This is a very good platform in my opinion. Definitely one of the best and most cleanest, and it's really changed my way of looking at charts and my trading, especially when I'm finding these very clean setups when I'm like preparing at night, right? So be sure to click the link in my description and download this platform. And last thing, I did partner with a trade service called Tradeify, and it gives you a lot of flow, and I found this to be really helpful. It's way cheaper than unusual whales and has like the same stuff, so I definitely recommend checking this out. Again, there's another link in my description if you want to download this flow service. It's a very great service, and you can track your trades in like a daily trading journal and just import them, and you can see your win rate and you can see a bunch of other nice stats. So already I recognize a couple of these tickers, but I'm mainly just going to be looking at tickers that I know. So like some of these I don't know, some of these I do, but like I said, I like doing the ones with a little less. So let's look at top mention 14 days. So this is, I love this scanner. The top mentioned on Netflix, or the top mentioned on on Reddit. I said Netflix. So one of the top mentions is Roblox, and Roblox is one I forget about a lot. So if I check out Roblox, I'm gonna go to the daily, see how the volume is. If it's the most mentioned, then maybe that will show us something. So let's go to the volume. Okay, so in the past few days, there's actually been a lot of volume on Roblox. So I'm definitely gonna be going to watch this tomorrow. It's at a very low price right now, probably because of earnings in the past. So I'm definitely gonna be having this on my radar. I see a nice shooter candle, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna actually set an alert to if this goes under this. So I'm gonna make a line right here, and I'm gonna click this, and actually I'm gonna right click this. How do I set an alert? 1 second, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna actually use this horizontal line. Okay, so I have this horizontal line at 3152. That's the trigger of the shooter candle. I'm gonna click create alert at this line, and I'm gonna click breakthrough. And let's see, it'll be Roblox setup, and I'm gonna do in parentheses puts. So I'm gonna do 1 day pass because I expect this to happen tomorrow. Triggered once. All right, so we got an alert right here. So tomorrow, if this breaks through here, I'm gonna get an alert. I'm gonna take puts, and my target is gonna be this low of the candle right here. So this is a really good setup. We see that it took liquidity from right here. So literally just by using this and just looking for stocks that I kind of forget about, but seeing I'm here, just going to check them out, I already see a great setup. This is a great setup in my opinion. Look at the selling volume that pushes down. This is a very nice bearish candle already after a nice volume pullback. As you can see, this volume doesn't match up with a move up. It actually represents this is probably going to fall soon. So I'm definitely looking at that tomorrow. And yeah, so if you want to use a scanner, you're gonna have to get TrendSpider. Link is in the description, and I can share this with you. If you get it, DM me, and I'll share this with you. It's a pretty good scanner, and there's a lot of other scanners that come in here, but I actually made this one myself. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.